Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function. Get the
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, one, the only one. Back with another video. Yes, sir, today, man. What's up, family? How y'all been doing, man? How y'all been doing? Hope everybody having a good day today. You know what I'm saying? I miss y'all, of course. You know what I'm saying? Your boy always working and grinding, you know what I'm saying? But today, we got an in-hand review of these Air Jordan 4 women's release, women's exclusive, if you want to say, and purple. That's what they calling them. I ain't gonna lie, I like these ones a lot. Just saw that I didn't get my size on sneakers today. But hey, it's all good. It's all good because, like I said, we're 11 and a half in men's. So technically, I need a 12.5, 13 in women's. But, you know what I'm saying, Foot Locker, Champs, and stores locally doesn't have no extended sizes. But only place that had extended sizes was Sneakers app. And you know what? I lost. But it's all good. Down the line, I will find these shoes, and down the line, I will get these shoes. But if you can get your hands on this shoe, definitely got a pair of these for sure. And the material of the suede on the whole upper, fire, heat. I like this shoe a lot, 10 out of 10 for sure. I love Retro 4s, by the way. One of my favorite retros of all time. But this colorway fire, I really do like this colorway, man. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. And also comment down below, man. Let me know. You want on Sneakers app, you want on Nike, you want on the Foot Locker. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, let your boy know down below. But not further ado, man. Let's get into the video. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Retro 4 box right here. You know what I'm saying? Got the Air Jordan wing. And it says Flight right there. Got your little speckles. It's a 9 in women's. So this will be like a 7.5 in men's, which is very rare. But in women's size, you know what I'm saying, this will accumulate to a 7.5. But, so it says 9 in women's though on here, on this box here, if y'all can tell. But usually it'll have, on top, it will have like the men's size, and on the bottom it had a women's size. But on here, just say straight women's size. So like I said, in case y'all don't know, a 9 in women's is a 7.5 in men's. So if you get a 10.5 in women's, that will be a 9 in men's. Y'all kind of get where I'm going? Okay, make sure y'all get where I'm going. But it says women's Air Jordan 4, Cayenne purple, safety orange, size 9. Retail price on these was $200. So our tax was like $215. Not too bad. Like I said, I just wish I could get these in hand, have it on feet for y'all, because I do want these a lot. I ain't gonna lie, I do like these a lot. These definitely a hard shoe. You know what I'm saying? Suede, the material, 10 out of 10 for sure. But let's go get that shoe out, man. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4, women's exclusive, Cayenne purple.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef.
These are clean shoe, man. Clean shoe right up on the shoe, if y'all could tell. Right here on the tongue, I wouldn't say it's like a turf type of suede. I would say more of like a hairy type of suede, but it's a smooth suede, like I said. Rubbing it back and forth, I could just tell it's not too rough, it's not too hard. Just a nice smooth suede, you know what I'm saying? So not too bad at all. Like I said, I like the color tone that they did to the shoe. Definitely fire, definitely heat. Can never go wrong with this colorway at all. It's just people was comparing it to the Travis Scott. Don't know why. That don't make no sense at all. Two different materials. The whole shoe is completely different. So I wouldn't even compare them two shoes at all. Not at all. Period. For sure. But like black laces, by the way. So I'm gonna keep this shoe inside of here because this shoe is going towards somebody. So I don't want to just take these laces out of here. I'm just gonna leave the shoe how it is. You know what I'm saying? Make the shoe look more professional, you know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, here they go, man. Comes sets of black laces. Look at the outsole right here. You know what I'm saying? I was like how they got the little, like a earth. It's not an olive green, it's like more like a, I kind of could say it's like an olive green a little bit, but it's like a light olive green color to it. I do like the color tone of it. You know what I'm saying? Got that safety orange on the tongue, on the back of the tongue as well. So not bad at all, but put that box to the side. Oh man, like I said, the Air Jordan 4 came out purple, women's exclusive, man. I'm just salty I am in my same size on Sneakers app, bro. It's crazy. I haven't worn on Sneakers app since the Concord 11s, bro. Yeah, Concord 11s, I think it was. I don't wear no sneakers at all. But I decided at Foot Locker, and it was like 2 hours away. I ain't gonna say a lie to y'all. I didn't want to make that drive. So me, I drove around, my city, just local spots like Hibbett's, what I'm saying, or City Gear, you want to call them, just to see they have a size that I want at 2 hours away. And luckily, they had the size. So I was like, whew, I could save me a 2-hour trip, which I love. I ain't like making that drive. So I got it locally. Perfect. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. And also here you got your safety orange Jumpman Wing logo right here. Got your hints of olive green right here on the outsole as well. Hints of black as well. So right here on the midsole here, if y'all could tell, you got your little black speckles on the midsole with your speckle of olive green. It's like a light olive green, like I said in the beginning of the video. It's right here as well. Going on the upper of the shoe, you got your purple hairy suede, or you can say turf or hairy suede, whatever you want to call it. But it's like a nice, like I said, it's a nice smooth purple suede. I could tell rubbing it back and forth. It's nice and smooth. It's not too rough, just nice smooth little hairy suede. Also, you got your olive green eyelids right here. Like I said, got the black speckles as well. On the back of the head, got your black Jumpman Wing logo. On the tongue here, you got your safety orange Jumpman logo here. And on the inside of the tongue here, you got the Air Jordan with your safety orange on the inside of the shoe. And on the inside of the shoe here, you got your safety orange Jordan Wing logo here as well. So, like I said, overall, this shoe definitely 10 out of 10 for sure. I definitely like the shoe, the material, the quality. Easy 10 out of 10. I just wish I won my size. But it's all good. Want a size for somebody, they will appreciate it. Even though I only win in my size most of the time, but as long as I win size for somebody else, make my day even better, So, but like I said, the retail price on these is $200, but my size right now selling for $320 right now plus. So I tax gonna be paying about $350, so I'm gonna be paying about $150 over retail, which is fine. But I don't know. I'm gonna see. Hopefully I find these locally. For a cheaper price. So I like to be patient when it comes to new release shoes. Because especially when women's exclusive and women extended sizes, it'd be kind of hard to find women extended sizes because, like I said, no one locally where I'm from has extended sizes. Most places don't. Like I said, Chance and Foot Locker on their app had the biggest size they have was a 10. Certain places, the biggest size they do have is a 12, or vice versa. It just depends on where you're from locally. That's where I'm from locally. They didn't have extended sizes. The biggest they had was a 10, or the biggest size they had was a 12. So it's all good though. It's all good. But size run, normally in Retro 4s, I always tell people go true to size. Because Retro 4s run true to size in my personal opinion. So if you wear that 11, go and get that. Because usually I could do 11, 11 and a half, and Retro 4s really necessarily don't matter. A size 12 be running too big on me in Retro 4s. So I always tell people go true to size. But if you like a little room in your shoe, go a half size up. Because Retro 4 just fit you just right if you go true to size. But if you like a little room in your shoe, like I said beforehand, go a half size up for sure. That's it for this video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all picked up a pair of these Retro 4s women's exclusive. Came out purple, like I said, sad I didn't with my size, but it's all good. Hopefully y'all want y'all pairs. Like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all want from Foot Locker, Champs, Finish Line, JD, whatever. Let your boy know down below. I greatly appreciate y'all as always, man. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter. All the good stuff down below, man. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch you on another video, man. Gerald1 is out. Peace.